Should you build a brand new house or buy an existing one? I've researched both extensively, and today I'm comparing them head to head across 8 real categories that actually matter when you are building or buying in East Africa. At the end, I'll declare a winner. Let's get into it. I'm Engineer Abdurrahim Mohammed, your construction therapist. I've spent over 10 years working on design, construction and project delivery, both in the UK and East Africa. During that time, I've seen trends come and go, costs rise and fall, and a lot of people learn expensive lessons the hard way. For this video, I didn't just rely on experience. I went back and did my homework. I reviewed recent building costs, current construction practices, financing realities, and common failure points specific to our region. This isn't just a theory, this is the ground truth. Alright, 8 categories, no drama, no marketing talk, just reality. Category 1, customization. It's not even close. Building a new house wins. When you build from scratch, you control the layout, room sizes, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, circulation, daylight, ventilation, and even how your future expansion will work. There are things that are either impossible or very expensive to change in an existing house. Yes, you can renovate an existing home, but once walls, columns, and staircases are already there, your freedom is limited. You end up designing around someone else's decisions from 15 or 20 years ago. If customization matters to you, new build wins clearly. Category 2, time frame. Existing homes win again, not close. An existing house already exists. You inspect it, you buy it, you move in. A new build in East Africa is unpredictable. Even with good planning, things happen. Permit delays, utility connections, material shortages, contractor scheduling, weather, Eid, weddings, funerals, life. Personally, I've witnessed approvals and supply delays push a project over a year beyond the original plan. If you need a place to live right now or the next few months, building is not your friend. If you can't comfortably wait for 12 to 18 months, sometimes longer, buying an existing home is the smarter move. Category 3, energy efficiency. New build takes this one. New houses are easier to design for efficiency from day one. Better orientation, cross ventilation, roof installation, proper shading, efficient windows, solar readiness, water storage planning. Retrofitting an existing house to achieve the same performance is usually expensive and disruptive. You're breaking walls, changing roofs, and replacing systems that already exist. It's far easier to do things right before the walls go up than after you already painted them. Lower long-term utility costs favor the new builds, especially with rising electricity prices across the region. Category 4, location. Existing homes win. Most existing houses sit in established neighborhoods, mature communities, better road access, shops nearby, mosques, schools, transport routes, shade trees that already exist. Newer builds are often in newer development on the edge of the city. Cheaper land, yes, but fewer services, fewer trees, and sometimes infrastructure that arrives later than promised. You can build in established area, but vacant plots in good locations are expensive and sometimes legally complicated. If locations matter more than layout, existing homes have the edge. Category 5, repairs and renovation. New build wins. With new houses, everything is new. Electrical, plumbing, roofing, structure, mechanical systems. Major repairs should be minimal for the first 5 to 10 years if the work was done properly. Existing houses are not disasters, but things wear out. Roofs age, pipes leak, electrical systems fall behind the current demand. Kitchens and bathrooms start looking tired. Repairs are not a matter of if, they are a matter of when. If you want peace of mind early on, new build wins here. Category 6, financing. Existing homes win clearly. Buying an existing house is easier to finance. More banks, simpler mortgages, clear valuation benchmarks. New construction financing is hard. Fewer lenders, more paperwork, more conditions. Bank wants drawings, bill of quantities, contracts, timeline, and state inspections. Construction loans also often require you to pay interest during construction before you even move in. If financing simplicity matter, existing homes are much easier. Category 7, safety and building standards. New build wins with an important warning. New houses can be safer because they are designed to current standards and knowledge. Better structural detailing, improved load paths, stronger roof connections, and fire safety planning. An older house built well can outperform a new house built badly. So this category goes to the new builds, but only when engineering, supervision, and materials are taken seriously. Category 8, cost. This one is a tie, and anyone who says otherwise is oversimplifying it. Existing homes can be cheaper upfront and easier to compare because there are so many options on the market. But if you plan well, control the design, negotiate properly, and avoid unnecessary finishes, it's absolutely possible to build a high-quality new home for less than buying an equivalent existing one. I know this because I've done the homework for you. It's not easy, it takes time, discipline, and patience, but it is possible. So cost depends more on behavior than the option itself. Final verdict: 4 wins for the new build, 3 wins for existing homes, 1 tie. New build wins by a narrow margin, but only if you have time, access to financing, and the patience to manage the process properly. If you need certainty and speed, existing home still makes a lot of sense. There's no universal answer. There's only the right answer for your situation. Subscribe if you want to build smart, sleep well, and avoid becoming a construction story told at a wedding. We don't just build houses, we build peace of mind. I'll see you in the next one.